Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Citi Mobile and clear cached account balances, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Citi Mobile app on your device. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. From the menu, select the option to uninstall. If prompted, confirm that you want to uninstall the app. The app will now be removed from your device. Next, open your device's settings. Scroll down and find the Apps or Application Manager section. Tap on Apps to view a list of all installed applications. In the list, locate and select Citi Mobile. Tap on Storage within the app settings. Here, you will find options to clear the app's cache and data. Select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Then, choose Clear Data to delete all stored account information. Confirm any prompts that appear to proceed with clearing the data. After completing these steps, return to your home screen. Your device should no longer have the Citi Mobile app or any cached account balances associated with it. If you decide to reinstall the app, go to your App Store. Search for Citi Mobile and tap on the Install button. Once installed, you can log in as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.